Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable prompt tone for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. So you have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Of course your speaker should be connected with the application, then tap on it as device list. And we need to go to the settings at the right top. Right here at the first line we have prompt tone. To enable it you need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Now what this mod do, so this prompt only when you turn on and turn off your speaker you will hear it, and when you enter to pairing mode, so if your speaker don't connect it with other devices you turn on and you will hear the prompt, or when you click at the Bluetooth button, when you press on it you will hear also a prompt. So if you need this, if you don't need this, just disable prompt tone. And to disable it you need to also tap on time at the slider near to it, but if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!